Take a ride in the 2025 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.